Well, we're into that, usual hot and dry late July, early August weather. It might be a little rain chance here, just in spots. I think the sea breeze could spark a couple showers or maybe a weak thunderstorm. Again, in a few spots, not many, but Tuesday and Wednesday, just kind of keep an eye on the sky, see if the clouds are building up. Otherwise, staying hot. A lot of places in the 90s, some areas over 100 degrees, especially in the upper valley. And if anything, it probably will get hotter later this week. I think some of our hottest days may be coming around like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, when maybe close to some record highs around the valley. Currently, though, it's hot too, just different degrees of hot. 98 in McAllen, at least it's below 100 there. 99 in Edinburg, 104 in Rio Grande City, and 91 in Brownsville. It is, still fairly humid, so the heat index is making it feel like it's over 100 degrees. So as always, you want to slow down, stay cool, stay hydrated. Don't overexert yourself on these hot days. If you notice the sky the last couple of days, there's maybe not the bluest of skies. It's kind of that faded whitish blue at times, just not real deep solid blue. That's because we do have moderate air quality. Some dust is blowing in from Africa again. Some of that dust that gets picked up from the Saharan desert comes all the way across the Atlantic and kind of fills the sky up a little bit. So moderate air quality, not a big health concern. It's still pretty low levels, but a little more haze in the air. Could make for some nice colorful sunsets at times. You get a little more more orange color, I guess, in the sky at sunset. This evening, though, temperatures go from about 92 at 7 p.m. through the 80s with mostly clear skies. Still a little breezy around at least through about mid-evening, around 9 p.m., so there will be a breeze to cool you off. Now, you see dry weather across South Texas where we are, right in here, and nearby areas in Mexico. Notice, though, there are some clouds and a couple showers to the south. There's a little bit more moisture here that's trying to get pushed a little farther to the north. I think it will come up tomorrow and maybe into Wednesday. So with the added moisture, not widespread rain, but it gives the sea breeze some extra moisture to maybe build up and cause a couple showers or a storm. So we'll have to see if the sea breeze can get going tomorrow, maybe for a brief round of rain in spots. But you see future track overnight, dry weather, 6 p.m. through midnight and 1 a.m., 2 a.m., all dry through the morning hours. You notice tomorrow, though, the sea breeze tries to kick up a couple showers at times in spots with that extra moisture. So again, a couple areas may see some rain, not as widespread as these green blobs show, but just spots may get a quick downpour or maybe a heavier burst of rain or a weak thunderstorm. That's always a possibility, but then anything fades away by sunset. Wednesday, too, there's still some moisture around, so we might see a couple showers or a weak thunderstorm in spots, but overall, rain chances are maybe 10%, maybe a little higher, 15% if you're really hopeful. But by Thursday, we're back into mainly dry weather. I imagine rain chances are less than 10% on Thursday, and then once that happens, temperatures start to go up a couple more degrees later in the week. So rain chances 10% or so tomorrow and Wednesday, down to mainly dry Thursday, and after that probably just all dry by Friday and Saturday. So if you're making plans for the weekend, a little preview here, if you're making plans for next weekend, I think we may be close to some record highs. A lot of places up near or above 100 degrees. So this weekend was kind of hot, but next weekend could be even hotter. So the first 7-day forecast, highs about 98 tomorrow and Wednesday, 99 on Thursday. Parts of the upper valley still over 100 degrees. There's a small chance, like we showed you, about a 10% chance for a shower or a weak thunderstorm with the sea breeze in the afternoon hours, and there will be more moisture in the air, so you might get a brief heavy downpour. After that, though, sunshine is pretty much dominant most of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and probably Sunday. And look at those temperatures. We squeeze in some temperatures over 100 degrees in most areas by the weekend. And again, I think we could be close to some record highs. If we're lucky, maybe a cooling shower or storm as early as next Monday in spots. But you know how it goes here in the summer. Mostly it's hot and dry.
Everyone ready for November weather, raise your hand.
Yes, yeah. Both hands.
Yeah, can we just fast forward here?
If we just go like in a time machine for the next 5 months. Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot. We're going to enjoy the hundreds then.